You type in AMC stock into Google, and what are you going to see today? Headline after headline, and it doesn't even matter what news source it was, saying that AMC stock dropped to $47 and change because Iceberg Research decided to short the stock. Exactly. Who is Iceberg Research? I'll tell you who they are. They're a tiny little research company that wanted some press and wanted some exposure, so they decided to try a marketing technique out. They decided to say that they were shorting AMC stock. We know that everybody's talking about AMC right now. So they did a good thing. They got their little publicity and they're going to move on from it. But guys, there's a bigger picture here that we need to talk about. The media is out there. And I'm not one to jump on FUD because none of this stuff scares me at this point. It doesn't cause any fear. It doesn't cause any uncertainty. And it doesn't cause any doubt in my mind when I see these, kind of dumb articles that are surrounding AMC right now. But we need to address it. So of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. All right, now don't go follow Iceberg Research on Twitter. Like, I'm sure they gained thousands of followers today because it's all over the news, right? But their tweet 7 hours ago was, "We are short AMC. Fundamentals are obvious. After 1 month of trading sideways and lots of money lost in call options, the pump seems increasingly shaky." All right, great. Thank you for letting all of your no followers know that you shorted AMC stock today. It did work out for you. Now, do I think that they caused the decline in AMC today? No, I absolutely do not. There's a lot more going on with it than just downward pressure coming in from short positions or just downward pressure coming in from the hedge funds. There's a lot of day traders, there's a lot of technical analysis that goes into it, and we did have to retest some of the levels of resistance. We fell through 52, so we went all the way back down to the level of resistance around the mid 47 range. That's what happens when stocks trade strictly on a technical pattern and strictly on a speculative pattern instead of being attached to their fundamentals. Now, Iceberg Research, Bloomberg, Reuters, everybody was reporting on this today, and let's address some of the things that they were saying in these reports. Now, the founder of Iceberg Research said that our position is based on fundamentals of the company and the fact that the stock price is being inflated by call options. I really don't think the stock price is being inflated by call options, which is always temporary, he says. Now, guys, it's typically temporary, right? There's nothing normal about AMC. That's what's so scary to all of these people. That's what's so scary to the hedge funds. These old guys that have been investing for years, the news outlets, they have no idea what's going on. They have no idea what we're capable of. And you know what? They are very smart people. They've been around. They know the markets. And in a typical scenario, yes, you would watch the stock price rise and get detached from fundamentals. But to say that this is always temporary, be careful, because there's nothing ordinary about this situation. And then you go down further, and this is a different guy now. This is some analyst that thinks AMC is going to go to $1. In the same article, he says, at some point, I don't know when that'll be, inevitably there has to be some type of mean reversion on AMC. I don't think it can permanently sustain 45 times EBITDA multiple. Well, dude, like I say, there is absolutely nothing typical about AMC. There is absolutely nothing that this community cannot do. And you are correct. If all of us were buying AMC based on fundamentals, I would agree with you. I would say, sure, sir. There's no way that AMC can maintain this sort of action. Sure, sir. There is no way that AMC will continue to rise in this fashion. But I don't know if it's because they don't pay attention. I don't know if it's because they live in a different world. I don't know if it's because they truly don't understand what's going on here. But I don't think there's one person right now that's buying AMC that cares. I would say the vast, maybe even 99% don't even know what EBITDA stands for. So they don't care that it's trading at a 45 multiple. It's trading at 45 times EBITDA. They don't care when it's going to be trading at 100 times EBITDA. They don't care if it trades at 45,000 times EBITDA. They care that they buy the stock, we hold the stock, and the hedge funds buy the stock back at a high price, at an obscene price. I don't care how you want to word it. That's what we care about. Okay? We don't care that AMC is detached from its fundamentals. In fact, a lot of us know that it's detached from its fundamentals. I would say the majority of us know that it's detached from its fundamentals. So to assume, and this goes out to all of these smart guys out there, because I know you're smart. I truly know that you've studied, you know what you're doing, and you know that in a typical scenario, the stock will revert to its mean, to its average, to its underlying value, whatever you're basing it off of. But this is different, okay? Now, yes, I'm speaking to the apes out there. Don't let this FUD fool you. These guys, honestly, they live in a different world than you and I do. They are smart. I will give them that every day of the week, but they don't understand. So just like you and I don't understand some things, they truly don't understand what's going on here. And when you don't understand something, that's when you get a little uneasy. You get a little nervous. You start to spread, and it may not even be intentional, but you start to spread some fear. And your doubts are emitted, and your own uncertainty is emitted. So that might be one of the reasons you see so much FUD in the news right now, is because they themselves have no idea what they're up against and what exactly is happening. So do not let the FUD fool you. Do not let it worry you. Do not let it concern you. And guys, if you have questions, please ask your questions, because I'm not concerned at all by any of these fake news articles that they're out there reporting and saying that AMC stock is detached from its fundamentals. Doesn't scare me because I know it is. I don't get scared when they say that Iceberg might as well change its name to Roll the Diceberg, because they just took a big gamble thinking that we're going away and thinking that we're going to allow this stock to go all the way back down to $2 a share and that they're going to be profitable on these shorts. That small of a company really doesn't have a position that they should be taking in this battle right now. And I know a lot of guys on the news are going to say, well, it's very dangerous to view this as a battle between us and them. Well, if you go into a battle, the one guy thinks it's a battle, the other guy goes in thinking it's not a battle, who do you think's going to win? Not the guy that goes in thinking it's not a battle. He's unprepared, and he's going to get caught off guard, thinking that he's smarter and he knows more, and that he's going to walk into something he never wished that he walked into. And I truly believe that the arrogance of the institutional investors, the hedge funds, and all of those guys could really come to bite them. Now, do we need to stay together? Sure. Do we really need to stay focused and informed on what's going on? Absolutely. Because you can see it. If the stuff they talk about in the news, if the stuff they promote on the media really causes any sort of fear, uncertainty, or doubt inside of you, you're not as prepared as you should be. Okay, and I don't say that with any disrespect whatsoever. That's why I do these live streams that I do on a daily basis, so that you can ask questions and you can understand what's going on. And hey, when you understand what's going on and you are 100% convicted in what you're doing and you're just on board, anything can come against you and you're not going to waver. You will stand strong in your position. And when everybody is on the same page with that, this stock, this movement, this thing that they call the meme stock is going to make history. And it's difficult for me to relate to what they see. Now, I can understand it, but on the same page, I can't understand it. Because if they were truly to see what you and I see on a daily basis, I think that they would have a little bit more respect for what's going on here. So guys, I hope this sheds a little bit of light onto the FUD that you see in the news. Maybe it might not be their fault. And sure, we know that they're in the pockets of some of the bigger hedge funds and some of the bigger institutions out there. So some of it might be, aggressive and trying to tear us down a little bit and so on and so forth. But I truly believe that they have no idea what they're up against. I truly believe that they have no idea. They've never experienced this before. And they're not on the ground like you and I are. They're not out here day after day seeing the people that are buying AMC, talking to the people that are buying AMC, and knowing that this is more than some sort of a traditional investment. So guys, make sure to share this video with somebody, because I feel it in the community when we do these live streams on a daily basis. I feel that people might be getting a little bit drawn down or sucked down or pulled down, and you need to be uplifted. So do as much research as you can, and don't take somebody else's word for it. Always get a second opinion, a third opinion, a fourth opinion, and then develop your own opinion. So watch my videos, watch all the other videos that these other guys do. If you're brave enough and want to go out in the Reddit world, sure, do that too. I believe Twitter's a little bit safer, but that's just me. So make sure that you just are strong and in your beliefs, and you know what's going on with AMC, and none of this stuff can touch you. None of it will bring you down. So guys, if that subscribe button is still red right now, make sure to click the subscribe button. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, Webull has a deal going on right now. If you deposit $5 in the month of July, sign up with that link down in the description below, deposit $5, you're going to get at least 2 free stocks. One's going to be worth at least $3, the other one's going to be worth at least $8, and it's on a $5 deposit. So you're going to be doing just fine if you do that. And there are also several other links in the description below. Make sure to check out each and every one of those. And I'm pretty sure that sums it up, guys. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.